how to create a Lovoo account. So if you want to create a Lovoo account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Lovoo login. And after searching, here on the first search you will have www.lovoo.com. You can simply click on that and it will take you to the web page or the website. So if you want to log into your account, then you can go to login, which is on the upper right corner, and it will take you to the login page. So if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go to create free account, or you can also log in using your Facebook. So to log in with your email address, first you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and then you have to enter your Lovoo password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset your password or recover your password. And if you want to save your credentials, like if you want to save your email address and then your password while you log in next time, then you can simply click on stay logged in. But if you don't want to save it, then unclick it, and after entering your information, simply click on login. And that's it. That's the way to log into your Lovoo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.